Hello, welcome back. This is the third video clip that looks at how to tell the time in English. So there are two other videos that show the two other methods. Today we will learn about and practice method 3. Okay, this is the 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock. Okay? I say here, do not use this. Okay? When speaking the time, when telling somebody the time, most people do not use the 24-hour clock, and many people do not understand it fully. Okay? So if you do not understand the 24-hour clock, it is okay. Most people do not use this. Okay? There are 3 methods. Method 1 and method 2 are more popular and more normal and more widely used. Okay? Today though, we will learn about this so you can try to understand. But my message to you is do not use 24-hour clock. If somebody asks you what time it is, we answer using method 1 or method 2. Okay? If we need to highlight the time of day, if it is morning or night time, which is what the 24-hour clock does, if we need to show that, we can tell people, yeah? What time is it? 7 a.m. Yes, remember AM means morning. It's 7 a.m. So we can say AM or PM, okay? The 24-hour clock does get used There are 2 or 3 most popular places. One is the military. Yeah, in the army, in the navy, air force, the royal services, they use the 24-hour clock. Okay, the next one is schedules. Yeah, or timetables. So for the trains, yeah, at a train station, at a bus station, at an airport, yeah, they have the schedules, they have the timetables, they will be written in 24-hour clock, yeah, or on the wall, on the TV screen, when it shows the departures, the times that the train or the aeroplane leaves, it will say in 24 hours. If you work at these places, you need to understand the 24-hour clock. Yeah, if you work there, if you use them, if you travel a lot and you look at schedules, you look at timetables a lot, you need to understand how to read the 24-hour clock. But when you talk to somebody, if you work there and a customer asks you, you do not answer in 24-hour clock mode, okay? So you look at the timetable, you translate the time, and then you answer the question, you tell the person in method 1 or method 2. Okay? So example, pretend I am working at the train station and somebody asks, a customer asks, "Excuse me sir, when is the train to Bangkok? When is the train to Bangkok?" Okay? I can look at the timetable, I pull out the schedule, I see the time here. The time says, so this is the time for the train to Bangkok. I do not say 1800 hours. Yeah, I do not say to the customer 1800 hours. I would say 6 p.m. madam, or 6 p.m. sir. Yeah, it's at 6 p.m. It's at 6 p.m. So I read 1800 hours on the schedule. I read 1800, but the time I tell the customer 6 p.m. Yeah, 6 p.m. So it is important to understand the 24-hour clock, but if you want to speak perfect English, if you want to be understood very clearly, then good practice is to translate the 24-hour clock into the normal clock. Okay? So 18 is 6 p.m. Let's look at the other times. Okay? Let's look at the other times. So, how does it work? How many hours are there in a day? How many hours? 24. Yeah, 24. There are 12 hours in the daytime and 12 hours at night time. Yeah, so 24 hours. So the 24-hour clock helps to show the time in a very easy, simple, clear, small way. Okay? We do not need to use words like in the morning or in the evening. Yeah? The aim of the 24-hour clock is to make timetables and schedules more compact. Yeah? You have to fit many, many times on a timetable. Many times. Yeah? All these numbers. 24-hour clock means less words. Yeah? Less words. So, 0, 100 hours, midnight. 0, 100 hours, 1 a.m. So we write this. 0, 0, 0, 100, 0, 200, 0. What time is this in the 24-hour clock? 0, 300. Yeah? 0, 300. Good. 0, 400. So this means it is 4 hours after midnight. 4 hours into the new day. So it is a new day. So if midnight, this is Sunday night at midnight. This is 1 a.m., 1 in the morning of Monday. So 1 hour into Monday. 0, 100 hours. 0, 100 hours. We can write like this, and we can write hours. Yeah, HRS, HRS. 0, 100 hours, 0, 200 hours, 0, 300 hours, 0, 400 hours, and so on. Okay? So 500 hours, 0, 600 hours, So what time is this? And now a different way. How can we say the time? Not 24 hours. It is 6 o'clock. Yeah? Or it is 6 a.m. Yeah? So we know it is morning. 0600 is morning. So 6 a.m. 0700 hours, 7 a.m. 800, 900, 1000, 1100, and then 12. So 1200 hours. So if we were to go down, 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 down until 1200 hours. What time of day is this? What time of day is 1200 hours? What food might we eat now? What meal? What meal might we eat at 1200 hours? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Lunch. Yeah, this is lunchtime. So 12 o'clock, midday. Yeah, we can also say 1200 hours is midday. Yeah. But for the 24-hour clock, we would not say midday because we know 1200 hours is midday. Yeah, 1200 hours is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? Now, after 12 is where it gets difficult. So that's 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 11, 12. Now what time is it? In the 24-hour clock. How many hours have passed since it was midnight? So it has been 12 hours plus 1. So it's 12 plus 1 is how many? How many is 12 plus 1? 13. Yeah, 13. So 1300 hours. 1300 hours is what time? Tell me, what time is it in method 1 or method 2? If the schedule, if the timetable says 1300 hours, what time is it? Yeah, 1 p.m. Good, 1 p.m. So 1 p.m. is 1300 hours. 2 p.m. is 1400 hours. 1400 is 2 p.m. 15 is, what time is 1500 hours? 3 p.m. Yeah. Okay. Good. So 1500 hours is 3 p.m. Yeah. Or so 3 p.m. 1500 hours or 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Yeah. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah. This is the afternoon because this is 1500 hours. So 1600 hours is 4 o'clock. 1700 hours is 5 o'clock. Yeah, we understand that. 1700. 1800 hours, 6 p.m. Yeah, 6 p.m. So 1800 hours, 7 p.m. What time is 7 p.m. in the 24-hour clock? 1900 hours. Yeah. So 2000 hours. 2000 is 8 p.m. Yeah, 2000. If you look at a schedule and it says 2000 hours, it is telling you 8 p.m. Okay? So you can tell your friends, the plane to London leaves at 8 p.m. Yeah? You do not need to say 2000 hours to your friend. Yeah? You do not say 20. You do not say 20. With your friends, you say 8 p.m. Yeah? So 9 p.m. is 2100 hours. 2200 hours is 10 p.m. Yeah, 10 o'clock at night. And 2300 hours is 11 p.m. Yeah, so there are 24 hours in the day. Yeah, 24 hours. 2300 hours means there is only 1 hour left. Yeah, so this is 2300 and then 2400 or 00. Yeah, so this can be written as 00 or 2400 hours. Yeah, it's the same. So 1500, 1600 is 4 p.m. What is 2100 hours? What is 2100 hours? Excuse me, sir, what time does the bus leave for New York City? It leaves at 2100 hours. Okay? What time does it leave? What time is 2100? 21 is 9 p.m. Okay? There is no cheat. There is no clever way to remember the numbers. You just have to memorize them. Yeah? So 14 is 2, 15 is 3, 16 is 4, 21 is 9. Yeah. When I was younger, I used to remember it as the 24 hour is 2 ahead of the real time. So 1300, so 3 is 2 ahead of 1. So 1 p.m. is 1, 2, 3, 1300. Yeah, 2 p.m. is 2, 3, 4, 1400. 3 p.m. is 3 plus 2, 4, 5, 1500. Yeah, 4 p.m. is 4 plus 2, 5, 6, 1600. Yeah, 5 p.m. 5 plus 2, so 5, 6, 7, so 7 plus 1, so 1700, yeah, is 5 p.m. 6, 6, 7, 8, 1800, yeah, 1800. The problem with this trick is it stops at 8 p.m. Yeah? If 8 p.m. is 2000 hours, how? There is not, it doesn't make sense, yeah? 8 plus 2 becomes 10, and this is 20. So we just have to remember 20 is 8, 21 is 9, 22 is 10, 23 is 11. Yeah? We have to remember, practice remembering, practice using it. Yeah? But the one point I want you to take from today's clip is that we do not speak in 24-hour times, okay? We do not speak in 24-hour times. We might read the time and then we translate, okay? So I think an activity for you to do at home could be to draw the clock. So draw the clock on a piece of paper, and if we have morning, so 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay, and then the 24 hours, so once it's lunchtime, we then come into the afternoon, so then it becomes 1300 hours, 1400 hours, 1500 hours, 1600 hours, 1700 hours, 1800 hours, 1900 hours, 2000 hours, 2100 hours, 2200 hours, 2300 hours, and then 0000 hours, or 2400 hours. Okay? So I think activity at home, draw this many times. Yes? Anytime you are free, you have 30 seconds free time. You might be on the train travelling somewhere. Yeah? Just draw this on a piece of paper to remember, help you remember, yeah, what the times are. Okay? And then number 2, find a schedule. Pick up a schedule from the bus station, from a train station. When you are at an airport next, look at all the screens, read the times that the screen says, and practice translating the times from 24 hours to regular. Okay? So if the plane leaves at 2300 hours and 30, then what time is that? If it leaves at 23:30 hours, what time is this using method 1 or method 2? Yeah, method 1 or method 2? What time? Okay, well done. Feel free to watch method 1 and method 2 again to really let the message sink into your brain, yeah? But more importantly, practice, yeah? Whenever you see the clock, practice. Whenever you see a timetable, practice. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.